Hello and welcome to another earning how-to video. Today we're going to show you the Bluebird SHR 1000 series petrol wood chipper. This will chip up to 3-inch in diameter branches. It's ideal for the DIYer. You can get it down a side entrance into a garden. You can do all your trees, everything that you want to do with it. It will chip right into it. If you want it, there's a chute here. You can chip it, you can angle that wherever you want it to angle it, so you can catch your wood chippings. The petrol engine is on the side here. It's really easy on and off. There's an easy recoil start, and you've got your choke on the side there. We'll show it in operation in a second, but this machine is dead straightforward. I'll show you how to start it. So you've got an on-off on the side there, flick it to on, give it a bit of choke. Okay, we're good to start a demo up for the machine. Let's get it started. Okay, hope you like the video. If you want to hire one of these machines, contact any of our urban depots and it can really get you out of trouble. Okay, thank you.